Have you ever wondered why some of the smartest people you know are struggling financially? Why people with average grades are building businesses, building properties, and creating wealth? Why do some university graduates spend years looking for opportunities, while others who never finish school seem to create opportunities everywhere they go? The truth is, being intelligent doesn't automatically make you wealthy. A degree doesn't guarantee financial freedom. Knowledge alone doesn't pay the bills. If intelligence alone creates wealth, every professor will be a millionaire. If certificates alone make people rich, unemployment among graduates wouldn't exist. So if you are intelligent but your bank account doesn't reflect it, this video is for you. Today, I will share 5 reasons why many intelligent people remain broke. Pay close attention to the last one because it's the mistake that quietly destroys more potential than any other. Number 1, you treat intelligence as the goal instead of a tool. One of the biggest mistakes intelligent people make is believing that knowledge itself is the reward, but it isn't. Knowledge is only valuable when it solves a real problem. People don't pay you because you are smart. They pay you because your intelligence makes their lives easier. Think about a mechanic. The mechanic doesn't earn money simply because he understands engines. He earns money because he uses that knowledge to repair cars that people can't fix themselves. His intelligence becomes valuable because it produces results. The same principle applies to every profession. Doctors solve health problems. Lawyers solve legal problems. Programmers solve technology problems. Business owners solve customers' problems. Money follows people who solve problems. Many intelligent people spend years collecting certificates, reading books, attending seminars, and learning new skills without ever asking one simple question. Question is, who needs this knowledge? And how can I use it to help them? Stop treating intelligence like a trophy to display. Treat it like a tool to build value. The moment your knowledge starts solving problems, it also starts creating income for you. Number 2, you spend too much time thinking and not enough time acting. Intelligent people often fall into a dangerous trap. That is overthinking. They want the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect strategy, the perfect opportunity. While they are still analyzing every possible outcome, someone elsewhere with less knowledge has already started, made mistakes, learned lessons, improved, and moved ahead. Success doesn't belong to the person who thinks the most. It belongs to the person who acts consistently. Imagine 2 people applying for the same job. Both are qualified. One arrives exactly at 6 a.m. as instructed. The other arrives at 8 a.m. with even better qualifications. Who would you trust more? Probably the person who showed discipline by arriving on time. The same thing happens in business and in life. Showing up consistently beats endless planning. Experience is earned through actions, not imaginations. You cannot think your way into success. You have to walk your way into success. Stop waiting until you feel completely ready. You will learn more in 1 month of taking action than in 1 year of planning. Number 3, you surround yourself with people who think exactly like you. Your environment shapes your future. The people closest to you influence your thinking more than you realize. Many intelligent people only enjoy being around people who think exactly like they do. Everyone reads the same books. Everyone shares the same opinion. Everyone agrees with each other. It may feel comfortable, but comfort rarely produces growth. If everyone in your circle knows exactly what you know, who is stretching your thinking there? Who is exposing you to new opportunity? Who is challenging your assumptions? Growth happens when different strengths come together. A brilliant engineer may need a greater salesperson. A talented programmer may need someone who understands marketing. A creative designer may need someone who understands finance. Intelligence grows faster when it meets with different experiences. Don't build a circle that only confirms what you already believe. Build one that expands what you already know. Number 4, you want to be right more than you want to create value. Many intelligent people love winning arguments. They enjoy proving they know more than everyone else. They can explain theories, quote experts, and debate for hours. But here is the uncomfortable truth. The market does not pay for you being right. It pays you for creating value. Knowing something and applying something are 2 complete different things. Imagine a graduate who can explain every theory behind fixing an engine, but cannot repair a real car. Now, compare that to a roadside mechanic who may not know every textbook definition, but can solve the customer's problem immediately. Who do you think that will get paid? It is the one who delivers results. Knowledge becomes valuable only when people can benefit from it. Stop trying to impress people with what you know. Use what you know to improve someone's life. That's where money is. Number 5, you keep waiting for the perfect opportunity instead of creating one. This is probably the biggest reason many intelligent people remain broke. They believe that because they are talented, someone will eventually discover them. They wait for the dream job, the perfect investor, the perfect business partner, the destiny helper, the life-changing opportunity. Sometimes they wait for years. Meanwhile, someone else starts with almost nothing, with a small business, a freelancer service, a YouTube channel, an online store, a side hustle. That small beginning grows into something much bigger. Big opportunities rarely appear out of nowhere. Most of them grow out of small opportunities that someone created. If you are truly intelligent, don't sit around waiting for your future. Build it. Create something. Offer a service. Start a business. Teach what you know, sell a skill, solve a problem. Every successful person started before they felt completely ready. Don't let your intelligence become an excuse for inaction. Let it become the reason you create opportunities others are waiting for. I want you to understand that being intelligent is a gift, but intelligence without action creates frustration. Knowledge without value creates poverty. Planning without execution creates regrets. The people who build wealth aren't always the smartest people in the room. They are the people who constantly use what they know to solve problems. So take actions, build relationships, and create opportunities. If you are intelligent, don't waste your greatest advantage. Put it in work. Because intelligence doesn't make you rich. Applied intelligence does. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and let me know in the comments which of these 5 reasons challenge you the most. See you on my next video.